Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix only one earbud is working on your headphones Xiaomi Buds 5. Firstly, try to put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case and open it again. And if it didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. So let's go to Settings, Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Now, press and hold connectional button for at least 10 seconds until you can see that LED light start flashing orange. Here we go. Now, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after that, click on your headphones to connect them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!